There's an obstacle.
Airplane.
Obstacle. Plane crash. The plane crashed. Remember to watch out for obstacles. Change direction. Go around it.
Dodge it. Turn and avoid it.
Wait. Change direction. Let me fix the direction. You have to do it like this. See, this angle avoids it perfectly. Smooth landing. Time to change direction again. Okay. What are you doing?
I'm trying to crash through it.
You need to do it this way. You can crush it, but be careful or the car might break. Oh no, you tried that's on you.
Hi everyone, I'm Yeezy.
Hi everyone, I'm Xiao Xiao. Welcome to our X Kids Lab.
Today, we're making an electric race car.
Let's start. Step 1. Assemble the motor and battery box. Negative first, then positive. Next, install the gears. Gears are in place. Step 2. Secure the motor. This part is tricky, be careful. Step 3. Install the side panels. The pointy side faces the front. This is the pointed end. Okay. Now glue the battery box. Make sure the direction is right. Got it. Install the front cover and slider. Step 4. Install gears and wheels. Insert the orange clip first. Done! Let's put in the battery and test it. Close the lid. I need to redesign the track. Let's try again. You got a great score. Car damage. Please, restart. You can't go this way. There's a plane ahead. Blocked.
Zoom, pass it fast.
Okay.
catch it.
You can go around here. You're awesome.
Good idea. I got it. That was the original path, but you found a new one.
Yeah, there's always a solution.
Keep going. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye.